Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 506 relative ranks. We're told that we're given an integer array score of size n, where score I is the score of the ith athlete in a competition. All the scores are guaranteed to be unique. So we've got a list of scores, and each I is basically the ith athlete, and the value is going to be the score that the athlete has. So the athletes are placed based on their scores. The first place athlete has the highest, the second place has the second highest, so it's from descending order. So the biggest first. The first place athlete's rank is gold medal, then silver, then bronze, and for the fourth place and to the nth place, the rank is just going to be the placement number. So fourth would be fourth place, fifth would be fifth place. In this example, we're given gold, silver, bronze, and then 4, 5. In this example, we're given gold for 10, but then 3 is in the wrong position. So it's given position 5 because if it was sorted, 3 would be right at the end, so it would be in the 5th position. So this is the key here. We're told that all the values in the score are unique. So what we can do is sort our list, calculate the corresponding rank, and then fill our existing list so that it's all in the correct place. So let's hop straight into the code. We can create a sorted sorted score list. We'll just call it sorted underscore score, and we will say sorted score, and we'll basically set the reverse parameter to true, so we'll reverse it as true, and we'll say our hash map is equal to just a simple hash map, and we're going to say for I as well as the value, we're going to enumerate through our sorted scores list. So we're going to do this to be able to create our hash map. So basically the the value corresponding to the rank. So for value I and value in sorted scores, we can say if I is equal to 0. So if we're in the first place, well, hash map value is going to be equal to gold medal. Is it? Yeah, it's capital letter. Elif I equals 1, and then we're basically going to do the same. I'm just going to copy and paste this, and I'll copy and paste this entire statement over here. So this one's going to be this one's going to be 1. This one's going to be 2. It's going to be a silver medal and bronze medal. Okay, so we've got these first 3 ranks sorted. Now we want to do it 4th all the way to nth position. So that can just be a hash map value equals the string of index I plus 1, because Python is 0 index based. And now let's create our result, and the way we can do this is by using shorthand for loop syntax in Python. We'll say hash map value for value in sorted score. So what this is going to do is going to say for each value, for each value in score. So we're going to now get, for each value in our score list, we're going to get the corresponding rank, and then we're just going to simply return our result list. So let's submit our code, let's check it does work, and we can see we pass all 18 test cases. So in terms of time complexity, we're going to be looking at an O of n log n time complexity, and this is because we're sorting our list. And in terms of space complexity, since we are creating a whole new list which we are sorting, it's going to be O of n. So O of n space and O n log n time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.